Hey guys, how are you? Randy Bable here, Principal Broker of 10 Realty, downtown Sevierville. And I'm in Sevierville at 705 Rondayview Lane, and I have a beautiful 3-year-old cabin that you really need to come by and take a look. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, fully furnished, beautifully set up, has a 10+ ROI. Let's go inside, check it out. Now when you come inside the cabin, you walk into this fantastic living space. It has your dining room, your living room, your full kitchen, everything all set up. Beautiful high vaulted ceilings, your ceiling fan, beautiful gas fireplace, and there's even a fantastic library to take one, leave one. I love that setup. The master bedroom is on this main level as well as the second bedroom. Remember, it's fully furnished, ready to go. So if you're an investor looking for an overnight rental property, really, you can't go further than this one. Now upstairs is a great living area on its own, but heading downstairs, we got 2 more bedrooms. We have the laundry area. We have the pool table, arcade game, another little sitting zone. Plus we have the walkout to the hot tub, the fire pit, and a great little sitting area where you can sit down, relax, talk about your day in the Smokies, and maybe relax for a nice little shot of moonshine. Now this really is a fantastic property, and I've set up a website to give you a little bit more information. The address is right down here below. I'm Randy Bable, Principal Broker of 10 Realty. All my contact details are right down here below. Give me a call. Let's see if we can get you in here to have a look and see if we can make this part of your property portfolio. I look forward to hearing from you.